Today I'm trying to expose the 1 hour boat tour scam here in Bangkok, Thailand. Because yesterday and the day before, people tried to scam me into taking their 1 hour boat tour for 1,500 baht, which is around 40 euros. And 40 euros is more than I paid for a 1 hour boat tour in Hamburg, Germany, for example, or New York City. So I'm gonna tell you now what they're doing, what they're trying to do, how they're trying to scam you, and then I'm gonna walk with you to the locations where they scam most tourists, which is around the palace and around Wat Pho, here in Bangkok, central Bangkok tourist area where everyone goes. And the funny thing is that they set out people in the streets that act like normal people that are just about going about their day. And for example, this one guy who talked to me the first day pretended to be a high school teacher, and the other lady just talked to me and said she's going to work and she's gonna tell me that the palace is not open today and I shouldn't go to the palace, but I should go to the boat tour and do the boat tour. Anyway, I'm gonna walk with you now and show you the exact location, and maybe we can even find the lady. And while we walk there, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the scam. So the scam usually includes 3 people. The first person is the one that's gonna lure you in and it's gonna talk you out of what you actually have planned right now, and gonna tell you all about this boat tour that is just amazing, and it's 1 hour long, and wherever you want it to go is not open yet anyway, and it will just open in like 1.5 hours miraculously, and once you're back from the boat tour it's open and you can enjoy the site that you actually wanted to see. She says it's cheap, it's perfect, and she's gonna actually tell a tuk-tuk driver that is miraculously driving by to take you and bring you there for only 10 baht, for around, I don't know, 35, 40 cents. First time you do this, you think, oh well, actually the lady must be right. The thing is not open probably, so you're better off just listening to the lady or to the guy and just doing the boat tour before. How bad can this advice be? Anyway, all of that happens around the giant swing here. The giant swing is at this big avenue that goes all the way down straight to the palace, and many people want to visit the palace. So many people come from around here to go down to the palace, and Wat Pho next to the palace, and Wat Arun on the other side of the river. Let me tell you more what happens after. What happens next is that you hop on the tuk-tuk and sit back and relax in the tuk-tuk for about 3 or 5 minutes until you arrive at the boat scam. And there you're greeted by a guy who's obviously trying to sell you the boat tour. They offer you a boat tour, and there's lots of tourists waiting, other tourists that got scammed or are just about to get scammed, probably Chinese tourists, and a bunch of locals sitting around, eating, waiting, playing games. It looks like it's a local area and a place where locals actually take a boat to cross the river. And then the guy will tell you all about the floating markets that you're gonna see on your boat tour and whatnot. What happens next is he will sell you the boat tour for 1,500 baht per person, which means it's about 40 euros per person. It's absolutely insane. I was there, I saw it myself. Of course I didn't take him up on his offer because this is just absurd. Anyway, I asked him what he can offer me as a price to just cross the river, because I just said I wanted to see Vaterun on the other side of the river. And he said he can do that for 200 baht per person, which is absolutely ridiculous, because if you take a local ferry, it will cost you 5 baht. Imagine, that's 40-fold. We're coming right up to the intersection where it happened to me twice. It's normally around here. You wait around here for the light. When it happened to me twice, it happened both times at exactly this intersection, where the small river comes along and the palace is just over there. Anyway, it mostly happens in the morning. They're trying to catch customers for the day. Oh, customers. Anyway, now you know, so don't get fooled, don't get scammed. Thailand has a lot to offer, a lot of scams, you have to pay attention, but once you know your way around and how to deal with it, it's not a problem, because what you can always do with everything here is just say no. Or basically just walk along. If there's a tuk-tuk driver wanting you to come with him, you just say, today I'm walking, and show him that you're walking today and you don't want his tuk-tuk, and he will leave you alone. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you can avoid this, because nobody needs to pay 40-fold for a trip over the river. See you next time.